Hello everyone, this is John from Kanen Coffee, and today we have a Rancilio Silvia Pro. This is the older model to the Pro X in the shop with us today, and it's a dual boiler espresso machine. And what had happened is it came in and it wasn't able to power on. When we opened the lid and looked around a bit, we found that the fuse right after the power switch had burnt out, as you can kind of see. A little hard, but you can see all the black stuff in there. Burnt out, so we replaced it. Also, the switch took a little bit of damage, to power switch, so we did replace that also with a different one. And we did a tune-up on the whole machine, replaced it with a brand new shower screen, brand new gasket for the shower screen, and also descaled and backflushed your machine. And now it's ready to be used, so we're going to use all the functions of the machine, starting with Espresso. As you can see, we have here test coffee. Put it in the machine. Line it down and turn off the Don't worry if it runs too fast or too slow. I didn't measure the coffee grounds with your machine. We're just making sure water comes out through the front. Working well. Now we're going to test the steaming function. Of course, since this is a dual boiler, you can just start using it right away. As you see, working well. And now lastly, the hot water spout. Steady stream. It's going to ramp up a little bit towards the end. That's about it. That's about all for this repair. If you like this video or any of our other videos on our channel, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.